Ya Mahama wakwa brasso so mamuni amaudu so nsamwa yake kesi ni enafu fidei ye bani ye babe somo wo Sompa television so oti enka obono ni afumantem ne mo a aha Sompa 98.9 FM sa obono isi ya Sompa 90.7 FM ekutemu na asante bantem ne mpatam nyina so no Sompa 93.1 FM ekraye mu ababi a wo bia no wiei nsemporo nsembege a etwa kreinke wo mamuni amamfo nkro so a mompetrepene mpatrapa magia tum ene akekesi ene awie de babesomwo nsem no doso na poso ene mampeni dada John Dramani Mahama ekekabi etutubi mane mampeni na nadudan kwa kufodo ene Vice President Dr. Achimota Bamia wona probum ewa TVET poema ntem ne mo a awie de munchemu ebebremu na kademra sebedwani a no wo mra sebedwafie ma de hye won kransa no for baton peso ya so echese entokwa no a entwa wo bokwa abonten so no ofisa amanyofo eka ho bi ene ababedu ba bia yedru sesei yedemo ebe konkra pomprema ntemo University of Ghana adwumayefo yatesa asase o moteso no kwabrani bi sa asase ne ne dia emenne wode efidia kwakosi so a wo ka omadan nyina egu fomwo yebe konkra pomprema ntemo ne yakwakodi nkomo ewo sansemi ho weni afoforo pinu a ene yakekese ne se kasea ba bia wo bia no ewe ye ba ne ye dia ba besomwo yemfa sedama nyumayekoi OCP fertilizers ebo echidom aboya donti ama ye vemu a ewe ba bia wo bia ne yetimi abane ababesomwo Institute of Expert Travel and Tours for so no taye chibi Cloud Internet Ghana internet won sensem nyina yensa Express Group so no awhare kwaso yedo 82 kwako bi maso 3A Herbal Center ere 3 eco capsules abegwa so Mizone 5G drink ne yeguso a ya yenunum na 21st clinic so wose for sciatica ehun yarewa nyina ebedano na onhwe emfa emma wenum ne nyumaku a ewie wo mo ebomichi domaboma donti ama mevemu a bebia wo bia ne nafo fidei yetimi abawura ho no mababesomwo wadwenche no nsusue obetimi dia babeka ho ewe social media platforms no so oko Facebook a Sompa 93.1 FM and a YouTube so Sompa TV Ghana wadwenche no nsusue ode bia ho no mo a yeguso a yebekase no yebekenkai ede amamu mede no ense sign na ya oboma libia bogabsia fo enye bray na finsem no yenkone yenkotutu na sre ani abasa emfa emamo yademo shase de free man penida da John Dramani Mahama gonja de sekonkro tijatangma so pro soro wede ni abro bia no mu otutu pa Professor Maka Fred John Mahani natsena ye si anemo kase watiasim ewa TVET pa mantem no mo mekire Upper East Region wo bontoa cheche ne niso ade hu no mo de akira desia awon potamo no mo se be no begya no mugidie edutumi ama ne se man pede bio na obabehwe o men so na ndomabato mpesia so na mampeni da John Dramani Mama kokodru ya woche se wate se ansa no oba ha se no na Vice President Dr. Achimota Bamia o tu frank adia MPP amanyuko na dikai ha ababetutu nsem bi atu ho no musan so moto abade manua obeboa mrante ne maba wana mo matime de 1 cedi any 2 cedis no atototo mobile phone eno na mampeni da John Dramani Mama yi na no se sie o ma mrante ne maba wana dwuma ya enyo no na ebekwa akoto phone 1 cedi ni 2 cedis ababecheche dia mamrante no eno nti ba bia ye dure wo kire se mrante ni hia nnwuma emaba wani hia dwuma sense phone 1 cedi ni 2 cedis eno beka ho aseme e dia kire domo a ewo TVET poema ntem no mo mampeni dada John Dramani Mahama ni nsem ni.
What young people want is jobs. Young people, our youth have not said come and give them telephones. You give them jobs. If you give them jobs, they'll buy their own telephones. If I have my own job and I'm earning an income, I don't need about 1 cedi, 2 cedi phone. I can buy my own phone. And so what you need is jobs. And that is what NDC is coming to do. If you vote me for president and you don't give me the parliamentary candidate, it will make it difficult for us to achieve the program we want to do for the people of Binduri. Because every appropriation the president makes for any project to come and finish Tamni Dam, we need the MPs to approve it. And so I need a majority in parliament to be able to do that.
Abuzia Fonti, where I am Peneda that John Dramani Mahama Yetene Kena Probo, our Tifuda Poeman Temno, a Nandomabaton Persiaso, and a Obobo Sansemi so. Na and watch the and Odeka Cresos was a wate, Senano Mampenin and Adudanko Kufuado, Watchman PSA Bema Boada Esu, se and Negana Nedie, Aquaquayan Tron Kuntumpon in Abarabasamonkwa, and a man for Ekeka, and Untuko social media, no so Makako Fangumabi, Ababetus was a Japadia. Document ya ye mampeni na nadu danko kufa ni tirimopo oni na busua so mbefumo meye japade nyina se brato ose enu nwanwa se ne mampeni na nadu danko kufa do wo ba besu e wo sansem no ho ne ye pe bia ntro etafiri wono mo pa eba bonte a e Jubilee House wono a wono mampeni na nadu danko kufa do wote no wo se agise obi ankasa na Jubilee House fo ne da no ya no ne nsem no no de mampeni na nadu danko kufa do hui na kakra manfo kadi twi ne ho no e no obegina bonte aba besuin mampeni da John Dramani Mahama.
I went to Bawku Palace and he spoke about the issue of carving out another region to encompass the 6 constituencies in this area. And I explained that there were constitutional processes that needed to be gone. And the criteria was 1, economic viability, 2, land size, 3, population. And aside from that, a petition must be presented, a commission of inquiry must be set up to look at the feasibility of creating a region. In the evening, I saw a fake news story misrepresenting completely what I said and trying to put me against the Mamprugu state. I never mentioned Mamprugu yesterday at all. I was just comparing land size and region and economic viability and all that. The president condemned misinformation and he used the Ajapadia document as an example of misinformation. But probably what the president doesn't know is that his office, the Flagstaff House, is the headquarters of misinformation. That is where the fake stories misrepresent what people have said and feed it into the social media. His own office is the headquarters where they do that. And so he should clean his house first before he talks about misinformation in other places.
Abuzia weye mampeni da John Dramani Mahama ene yetene nke weye na probo ewo tifido apoema ntemnemo ena obobo sansemi so a na ochese ne mampeni na adodan kwakufa do hwan nwanwa pa so se amanfo twantro ene nkuntu pusam ede to no so wo ba bisu na natena ye Jubilee House no eho ena dodo no a ifri ede eba yemfamo free mampeni da John Dramani Mahama probo na yemfamo enkogumesua ene apedie hu nsensem na Professor George K.T. Odro ene de afutuo masese ne yesu si emrantie ne maba wa ne nya adwuma nya si emiani ankonsa no nwuma ho a ene emfa ho ene ne amanyofo beye ne mpanimfo beye no oman ne yekwa yebesa abaye chise ya ode sansame tudwa wabra na University of Cape Coast abontenso na omo edi dwuma kasa ede afane yakwasibu ne fane se eye TVET home vocational education ene technical education na BM so for mining kan kore ne mpuntu ho en watchese so mine ya miani ankonsa no nwuma ho ne yekoye suku babadie bebreba ene ye ne ene bebia ya babedre. Professor George K.T. Odro afutuo enie
emphasize that without TVET, the development we are aiming at as a nation, the quality we are aiming at as a nation, the peace, poverty eradication, climate change, fight against climate change, and meeting the challenges we inherited from the public experience. Without TVET, we cannot achieve anything. So TVET is a very strategic part.
Observanti weye Professor George K.T. Odro ene yetene nkene no akire ora yire mausi Ghana TVET service wono ene ye ba peni a woda no ono susu dwumade no wase bi ma ono susu no ede kakra esoso
tools and farmer in Korano. Now, I'm certificate no Befia, no Montenefie, say, Omunia Juma, and say, Juma, no, baby. If you want to say, when this is coming in Anu, Rashusha. Say obi shine dress regular. Me patro to machine man. The man is here because upon there or just a young child. So as a wolf one, there will be say sustainability. Now what choose now man. Send a bear or discard the baby. Bamu Promotional Power here, Muba, Eba, technical school, our grammar school. I say, me more Google on. I would be a yellow. So I had to have something to do. And the more clear because the training is not meant for all of you to be employed. You need to create job for other people. So you go and start something. Even under the tree, start something.
For Jubedi nyina na Eyebriwa Technical Institute wo mfinfi mantem na no moya kwankogya som de ama enkwada wo makwakogye ntetiye nsanu nyuma suesua ne mapino a wo mo eba bonte na no moya kwankogya som de ama wunu mu a empanimfo di sansem yekotu gana engineer Samuel Kwashi Amegbo wonne yepene kwanchefo da sa atrenye na no so de kakra episo.
As today marks the day of exit of our learners into the real world, let us take into cognizance that it is the beginning of new prospects, new tasks, new reason to rejoice. I offer my genuine reception to you all to our 12th graduation ceremony with the theme Stakeholders Synergy, the key solution to the dearth of quality TVET delivery. I am thrilled to inform you that this journey of educating 232 learners or young professionals with hard and soft skills for the global market, which began 4 years ago, ended today. I am delighted because out of the 232 soon to be graduates, 152 constitute 6% are males and 80 constitute 34% are female. So I say, are you go to our facilitators?
Observer for young famon ko Bawku abonten so e manimo sam de ekoso wo Bawku abonten so e yamakru na kwakọ dane amanfo na eno na nam so ma kanemra sebedwane a na wo mra sebedje fiema de se won kransa no for baton peso ya so Major Derek Oduru e de ensusie bi base ntokwa no a ekoso wo Bawku abonten so a ye pata empata ye ka e maka nyina no ofisa amanyofo ka ho bi ene ababedu ba bi a ye duru sese enra ene betu dwase mra sebedwane a wo mra sebedje fiema de se wo Bawku Central Baton Pesia so yera Mahama yarege chese ne ho adwire no eka aban ebo no bosumi bia e Bawku entokwa no ho eno na Major Derek Oduru kasa de afa no de nsusue e basesa amanyofo no pomba bia atena no mo agyae ama afane afa no yehia wo mu ne o makasa enka sumdua ba Bawku abonten so de dada na so MPP ni NDC fui ya na we kutafa na we soso esofa na we twefa eno na aba bedu ba bia yeduru sese no.
This soldier over 30 years. The petrol Bawku crisis. So maybe this soldier. Then within the period that maybe Bawku crisis not at number. Ama my retire from Ghana Armed Forces. I be MP. Ntokwa to wa ama ma be Deputy Defense Minister. Ama ntokwa no ma ba be. Now question is said. And they pa de beye ama saa toka no etuata na me manu ti se bibia Ghana ye the politics wura say na ase MPP eya hwense we ne beji wo hene no we na ensese wodie e de na kwakodie eye wo mo bie no ahensie no na aba politics bia nim enso e ba na se soldier for ekom police for kom se wo mo person ku jai ekunkunkum na baba se pe na we nu mu amma ko e kwan soldier for na ma we nu kwa mo ankunku abo ato anhye we nu so anye ya wo mo ye aban be so aban be create enabling environment se de be ya ekuma kwa anye ye no even ye chase ye kura na aba betimi a wo de soldier for no ko just to stop the candidate na afi wakwe atu anabon National Council of National Chiefs what my from saying National House of Chiefs asante ni di mu apoteni strategy a o mampani ku for efa so a Sa so many years I work Gonja area no esi Gonja o yedi one penny as organize and you for no and asante hene and di mu akotene saa so na boko die no abanya e di obaya say aban ko say o no kwa so mo conflict no problem no bo wo empower enkrofo wo panel enkrofo e say di omo ye boko die no a na boko parties no akasa no aso den boko parties no we pese otwia we ka and I'm talking from the point of view of a former military officer when that mean say when we di we dem enti except we go di ne dem die enti asoja for no okra na we mafa we omochi no ma ko di nsabone yesi am fa tuo ne mo bank ho obinum ewia no mo di etuo ne mo ba ekoko di nsabone e wo baabi soja for wuru na so ko se pe soja for ye ni papone for na ye the politics minua awo ye MP e wo ko ayarga ona ko ayarga e wo se o tonu down because me dem ayeso je di pay e bre bi nya kwa e ko nya e ne kasai so on tone down na wo ye na se wo de politics go ram ono wo ba bi a onu gina better bi an woni crofo bi be kwafa eno no insense other party no say yenso no say we na wo hade ade yenso be bi no so ke ba bi di ni dwa ya mantam say wo ye ndc ni na say wo kan say dia me so no ko pe MPP fo na o so say obi o ye chairman obi o ye yi ni ato azu ni
ya kanemra swejeni ya no womra sweje fiema desia won kransa no for baton pesu aso nanu ya no saso swafo abedi yechira no show meyi bambo hunsensem Major Derek Odru ena yete ne nkenti osese amanyofo na ntena nche ama bambo fo na nhwe ama asumdua ama boko nsem ne beto aso seisa ama kru no akwakodane amamfo afeye mfamo enkonne afofida yedi no emu ensensem mampani na adodan kwa kufa danra fellow so ne Ghana for din komo ema enda fa ofida yedie no o cheche mfaso e woso de die ntia ene yesi ye ntena fie na yemfanka kaja ye nananom a omotempentin kwate ahesu edu omokra omunipedua ba afode e chechire ama Ghana menu mienu Ghana ene yeso so yetimu bie na mampani na adodan kwa kufa do nkomo nimu ene ne fellow Ghanaians so ne Ghana for ye no ene okwa akwache se woni ye wanyini enyi ntumu soso si yese ba akufuo bi eno no nko a wo bre ya chechire o mai besi honum ye wodi osofa ene de oso ni faso bunkum a o mungina braso si ye de obuo ni ani die ma wunum ne ye kaka wo mososo ne ye da wo masefo ase so mo ede sankrofo ne domo mai si ye beka se doctor osagefo doctor Kwame Nkrumah nko a ena ja obanim twirebo ede haso gine tata ono nko na breye eju o man ekukusi honum na sansam ya mampani akufu ado kan ye no CPP amanyoko anye wo mo de emene nzobu a wo se bo nyese bia pete so makekebe ede achirema mpeni na adodan kwa kufu ado pa na ya chempem jantua twetwofo pene de CPP amanyuku no woso no anya ne nwanwa evizo no mpeni na adodan kwa kufu ado no na busuafo kakra no a aso mofafo ho no opese wo pre ni munyama wunum ntino na won pese obaji atum se your sagefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na omayi si ye kase obi a woji wo mani si ho no mo a yebuni din ede emano
President Nana Timi Chirim. Timi Chirim, what he means by a near Kwame Nkrumah Nkwa and a coin. The BDI, the BDI, no BDI anymore. It did now for boy, or more a human being. Because Tamreno, I'm a come flat to buy your cash independence now. Almost independence in the shortest possible time. Oh, the you before, Nadia, you are with the no Mababa. The Bia Fan almost man theatre and you pin and one and then people for adia enya wo mo diano obaba next is here obika say independence now independence in the shortest possible time so when you break obeji independence come Nkrumah na ho a onimpanyin for me papa nom ne ko ayiko bodi se nom ne ayiko jobo tio nom ekoko ye abo mo a omo ekoti CPP a wo mo de independence that time na the UGCC na wo kan na we hene na JB danka wo hene fa time announcing independence on the days no UGCC for no moto omujeja obi nkofo peso obobo ye bo mudin no e papa ka ho edu edakufu ado JB danka hwa na omujira obi ana How many will be? Didn't say so to me, because so to me, okay, and you are not one a conto, but one in the comrade. I want UGC because our comrades in Yamamoka UGC, no free, almost free mile, one kind. Okay, no control the tunnel. It was on no case before me CPP independence, never internet as a man found the gun. On one another work as a kind. That's when CPP was formed, you know. That is when the independence came. The leader of CPP at the time was Kwame Nkrumah. So why do you say the found the Ghana? Why not two Ghana? They won't come in. Why they did Ghana buy no UGCC for no? That time no money or no money to baby. Or no money are brought in the trade. Into no more now brought for no make sure independence and massive. It's in Coma County, the shortest possible time. You do want to think that's what and Wasum not to say, I'm with the other dream, a monkey. It won't mean come that and your Kwame Nkrumah and found it done. Oh, you before no more Kwame Nkrumah because I didn't think I found this day where Kwame Nkrumah that day I found this day no about be. What's a freedom account? 1st July Republic, then told the Kwame Nkrumah better. Anything Kwame Nkrumah no more passion. It's just no about the pollution because on no Kasama we CPP into the say do baby our publication. So I wouldn't say Mama do CPP. Yes, I don't know you know I don't know kind of crowd things as you say you been action will be necessary back because on he knows in his heart is a Kwame Nkrumah the founder Ghana. So they did out in the Afanada years in the here who took one out baby would do more than besides a Kwame Nkrumah Ghana Hona Fiana. So how do you say Kwame Nkrumah the founder Ghana?
Inti kane chocho for penny the most CPP amanyuku no na ya chempemi dwantoa ne yete ne nkenya na okeke de chairman penny na adodan kwaku for the far enra mampeni nkoma oni oman ni di ye kwaye so no de onyi ntumu nyini si yesi nipa baakofo kwa Nkrumah no a energy wo mai edisi ho no na sese akwa emprekoto so we de fa bonkum na we so ede fa ne fei na eje yes ye mompire nimdifo no ene wo mu a eba abakwasem a omo binimu kire wade asua eno nti Dr. Daniel Owusu ansa okokwa Nkrumah asua po no mu a omo history and political science department ho enu di ni pa kira de na docs so de ba be so say enkomo no ba bia wo de be fa bia no epai se okoka so sajefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah energy o man si ho no mu a de kwan so ano no na se okoka se nyo no nko energy o man no so si ho no mu a ne kwan so ano no fi se ba akofo de won kire damfo ye dani a ye onipa ba akom yenu miensa bi a omo ehye okon na se aye bi o man fa nkwan ko wie ya ososo be so mutu aso e bi a wo so mu ikura no ye wo yi nipa yenu miensa bi so a omo eta wachi bo uchi dom e bo wo sa ni pane nyina no no wo se ye dawo no mase ye bo mu din e bata ho sense ye beka se ba akofo nko ene yeye.
Ghana was formed by the British. Or minor in Ghana, no. So, and formation, I mean, can't say founding formation. It was formed by the British.
Okay.
In to say, baby granoa. No, also money asante for Punto Pansan or multimedia asante. Have kind of good coast colony. The colony itself, I know was say the coastal line one. And it's not the Bia Mekase, Ubintu Central region. It's not at the center of Ghana, but the center of the colony. From the central region, the central province.
Okay.
And another western province, other western region, eastern province, and other than eastern regions, they say, no. And a greater Accra. Omane was say, when a good coast colony, no. And no crown. Abrofono am fan for sometimes so much me sign bond they are take bond of 1844 yet alliances ne send you musi o man fan for no e ba say so mo for pasoro they have to fight asante san no mo dey asante ba be ka ho and na a free after the First World War e bra Germany elusu ye no sabre no Germany ni properties some e bi o wa na territories ye different omensem eno na koma o man ya be na ye friend transporter Togoland ni Togo be bia na man possessions no. So the British started administering Transvolta Togoland from Ghana because from Ghana after the First World War. And now actually plebiscite no time no eba say omo to we ka Ghana ho. Na ne wo mu pa ni the processes for independence had started long before Kwame Nkrumah even returned the process had started. In fact, now Kenya there used to be for 3 years. A leader of government business. Kwame Nkrumah Ghana and or winning a leader of government business. He couldn't have done that. So the foundations had been laid. However, so at the peak, the independence, Kwame Nkrumah was in charge at the time when we gained independence. And Bawku a sign they also can say independence, Kwame Nkrumah say maintaining all the 4 blocks, the American 4 blocks, and I bet Ghana, Colony, Asante, Northern Territories, and Transvolta Togoland. Because Abraham Senka, one year came up as Asante, a mind be brave or blocks, no, I bet the Bemo independence, no, Umberiana, if you said there be Yamsi so now, those Eritrea and Ethiopia and other places, issues, up. Even in Ghana, occasionally you hear about some of these things. Then the American say any processes no na say na and Kwame Nkrumah couldn't have gained independence at the time when he did it because no niho. And I say any Kwame Nkrumah so Ghana couldn't have perhaps gained independence at the time when he had it. It be unkebeba late. So I say, and when we are discussing it, but I am going to say morning show mind ni we morning show you be a because of mind ni morning show. So that's so. We know that right money other people are part of it, but in our Bontene can we just mention marking show no, but a lot of people contribute to the show and our present show no. So at the time Kwame Nkrumah was a representation of Pan-Africanist project because not only he said or maybe the independence of Africa. There was a time when Marcus Garvey other people in the West American also fighters equality and they wanted Africa's freedom and I said decolonization as part of the project. It was even somehow also supported by the fight in the Americas. And there's a center in Africa where we can start from. Say for all blacks all over the world.
For we a Dr. Daniel Usuansa and Yetin Kane, Kwame Nkrumah Pomua, or history and political science department, or more, and Udine Pa, and an anopo mine here, Dubois Chetanasia. Normally we are singing action while the Achimota media so or some perfect, some television, so what I know Echuchesa and Komowi. Now, Afofia ye dear, and I'm penida that John Dramani Mama Sosono, on a pro bow, Tifido Perman Temnemo, Upper East region, no, was here next year, dear Fofia, Obi. Bika edichre Ghana mine or sre Ghana for senenki enim sate to one no yakasi de Republic Day na July bosomino ne da edikan 1st July bia nanka ye disa dan if say oh my Ghana abako semu no afia pema ahankono aduosia 1960 na ye de ye ho kra epam kwesi kokko firi omayimo so mpene ba bi ntina na yankase ye betimi aye ne manteduro no a ye kaisa dan na no ye Akufo-Addo bedi president ene watwamu and was so at the Ababeshe August Bosom Nede Toso and 9 CM Fan Kai Womwa or more a preji or may a fan who dear G Yang at the sea Honomina. Na Mampenda that John Dramani Mamma say 1st July holiday na near Dianoa, a Akufo-Addo Ababe Chamune at the Ababeshe 4 August no, see a 2 Abamani Biwa or Bessaswa Quaco Faba, no Chawimu, no the Aquaco 1st July near D a Republic Day no, Wabra, young Mosum Family August Bieni.
Apart from destroying our economy, apart from plunging Ghana into crisis, one of the things this government wants to do is to rewrite our history. And we shall not allow them to rewrite our history. Because the president said he does not accept that one person can be the founder of a nation. Yes. Founding a nation, it takes many people, but there's always that critical one person whose sacrifice and efforts is what finally leads to the attainment of the objective that everybody is working for. Nobody can come and rewrite our history. Indeed, for those of you who don't know it, when the Queen finally agreed to give Ghana independence, the UGCC that Nana Akufo-Addo is fighting to be recognized as founders of Ghana, wrote a petition. They sent people to England to tell the Queen, don't grant independence, we are not ready yet. And so today you can't come and rewrite our history. July 1st is our Republic Day, and we also made it our Senior Citizens Day. They've come to take the holiday from July 1st and gone to put it on August 4th, which is the day the UGCC was founded. When we come to office, we'll rectify those things. July 1st will be a holiday again.
I was going to way I am Peneda John Dramani Mahama Gonja de Seconkra, or Tejatangma so pro through with the Tin and Kane, where na proper our Tifido payment and the more upper eastern and Potamo, and on also so Edison Samui, to a year a journal. I was for said also swagging is see a year one, Kahu is social media platforms and also Facebook here, Sompa 93.1 FM and a YouTube, a Sompa TV Ghana, and for a drink channel, Susia to 1 Muguswa. Ye bekasiano ye bekenkan ede amount abusia OCP fertilizers ye da wo mase ne enen makuafo omo do omo pam omo hye number bedua no baye no toda na kane na OCP ma ye na kese gya wo madwendwene wo fertilizer papa no de apetin fudie no so OCP baye omo da no mada odua no baye no wi a no de OCP kakra petepete so ebeso se ya doso se ye mo se ye bro se ye ntos se ye koko de wodua bia bayere de wodua bia fa OCP pete so ebeso doso asase ne kuma bi na so na woti bebrebe enya na e wo ba bi etonto agrochemicals ne manyina 0555 9094 37 0555 9094 37 and 0555 9094 33 Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited Day omo ediye tukwan na yakwakoye adwuma e wa bruchiri se wokosua de se wokoye adwuma se wokotena ho de wokwakoye bia no eye Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited se bra na yemfa untukwan enkwa bruchiri okọ America okọ Canada okọ Germany okọ eye France okọ Italy okọ Malta okọ Portugal New Zealand Serbia UK omo bia ya opesa okoso no Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited se bra na yemfa into 0539 858766 0539 858766 now near dinkomo cloud internet so internet no a wo de ye adwuma wo adwumam efie ene miamia hodo no fa bedan yen na yenhwema he insu beto mframa befa ewia bebo internet no se gina so a wo de ye adwuma ni from 0244601933 0244601933 Institute Yako Express Group wo na omo so omo ede tukwan saa ye tukwan yakwa ye adwuma ye tukwan yakwa kusua de ye per scholarship ye pese de kosua de e wo UK US Canada nom ye koye masters ye koye ye PhD ye koye ye first degree ye koye ye MPhil nom ye per scholarship full time scholarship wa ye Express Group for se bra na yenye sanchisi yenema yemfo into kwa kumasi asaf labor runabout no so ene wo ena se wa akra ye wakaneshi first light wa setema so na wa eye community 18 Lashibi Golf Filling Station no enche wan so ye wo honom 0249 000448 0249 000448 cool capsule se wudwa so kokuno asiese ama asie etu usisi yade ni nyina 3 cool capsule so no mo a ebitu asie edi ama 0546107107 Mizone 5G drink ni guso aye no nom ebuzia wo ye wede na pronto bia ope drink papa be serve ama na hye wede munyam ate wede mu a eye Mizone 5G drink no 0246270221 21st clinic osi ateke ntini no a etwetwe wo tutu wo no a aka wato wo no mo na de akwa beye eni duabɔ ne adutuo no enye obi na ato odu ena obi nye obi asoso ena abodua eye sciatica so ntini no afiri usisinim de kofa otoase fa usirem efa eye ukoko unankokom de kosi eye unantuno nampo so no abusua etwetwe pa kumase we hwa overseas afa radio enche ho no manfidie ne doctors ni nu papa ye de behwe 0540311311 fraying na ene ye ninkomo yentwesi mran semne pinda kechre ye ba ye be pimo so
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua Womuji international awards ahodo, womuji local awards ahodo. Na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa. Womu di bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho. Eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade pa ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Eya sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade. Ghana ha baby a wo mu ho. 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. That's a 21st clinic. Wo mu ye sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Afuyi afuye na saduru hobi mu enti wo hwehwe fertilizer afiwei ubayusu ana esanse afra se fertilizer woto ye amwa wo no na ma wadwuma no anyina eto ape onobaye no antumi anyini na nsodoso ema woboka ene atumda fertilizer papa abadwa so de eno ane OCP fertilizer egumu ahodo akuafo a modo enobaye ebitise atoko ayuo emo ene atosode ahodo no omo enkoje OCP MPK 15 ana OCP MPK 10 akuafo a omoso edo legumes ebiti say soya beans, peanuts and beans omoso enkoje OCP fertilizer a eye TSP OCP fertilizer ebusu wo baabia ye ton hwayon yoma e wo man Ghana mu enoti atufo enfre 0555 909 437 ana 0555 909 433 OCP fertilizer papa OCP yegina homa Ghana and Africa biayo
Brakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pomden ene na brabo mu ne hieye pa enye brakasa nko nuaban ne haban bi te se ko nsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaban bi nom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de aye brakasa powder siesi nipadua na Bawku ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma Bawku freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma Bawku woni suhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantoa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15-14 prekese powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu emu agiatum
hey sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochu
Kwaku afeina me beko me nkrata krani
hey eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika aduane ne wanya otuadi mu sa no
oh Express Group Adarumenti according to for opese otu kwan kosua dia Express Group do be call mind be to say Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany say e to ana se visiting so Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia and Germany mo am pese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should mention a crime of Kumasi as a full labor runabout where Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From Omo Macho for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy wherever you are. Call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Sompa TV, Emma Akituapa.
Abuzia Samu akwa babio ba Sompa television yewi aprem to breka siye eso so wote yenka e bono ni afomantem ne mu aha e Sompa 98.9 FM so wo bono east ya Sompa 90.7 FM ekuremu na asantemantam ne mpotam nyina Sompa 93.1 FM so no ekuta yemu yento ansam no so emam yedemo konkra pompremantem na enkra abato Sompa FM ne Sompa television nsem chefo apono so ene se adwumayefo a omo eye adwuma awo University of Ghana Legon Bebia womo etete kwabrane akofaka mumruntumi bi edi dwiri womo dangu adaya asase na womo teso no a womo tena so nyene no wo se eye ne de nti woje de afi womo nsam na abusuafo kezedu bebi na adehye ene womo ye adwuma wo suapon mu no na omo eto omani a ento bi anim na ora tete eye obi a ono soso agya enkomre nyina no ne dan eka ho bie ocheche nsem se ede kire yen.
We'll find a room for us. So and also anajo around between 11 to 12 midnight. And I also when we say Mbabebo, you can say agro. And quickly they say excavator say bulldozer oversee. Now oversee. Then I rush me fair. That one of the directors and also me corporate report. So I rushed to the police station. Timiko do one security lady be Timibo na man also onukwa na to obefre offer ni college no so mu nyina e wa hadada all of us are maybe na excavator no or bulldozer no wa ase no start bubu we na misu abihye mi nyama wa na misu ye de bi timi ka fi ho no ba na start mi nyama na ego ho afi na they san park nyama no akọ inside enti anopa su the san frey the san to car eco management I'm so young about 20 or more so problem. At the end, I try a copying time or best so prevent your mass afraid at your school. And I'm saying, still, what they are saying, so money be beyond or more machine. Last month, July,
Abuzia na eno achire mrasebe dwani owo mrasebe gefima this year wo kan queen of abaton pesu aso no about Teresa Ladia wuni suso no asemi okupie so e mo no suso de kakra epi so sei.
Can take as the representative of the people, I am saying that I will not sit aloof and allow you to treat my people like animals. It is not done anywhere. It is not done anywhere. They are Ghanaians and they are human beings. They have rights. Even a squatter has rights. And they are not squatters. I can say, I can bet with my everything that I hold here that these are university workers. And I'm calling the media to come here and interview them. Let them bring their ID cards that shows that they are university workers. Why do we treat Ghanaians like this? Why? Yesterday.
Abuzanfonti we mrasebe dwani owo mrasebe gefima this year wo kan queen of abaton pesu aso ne yete ne kan assembly member ono susu won potem ho no asemi ono susu mo to nsafre no mo ba ho no mo e be kire se municipal ne nyina de ekoso no wo mo enimu hwe eyobi ne de mrase ne nsem a wo ye de wo ye e won potem ho no mo
the assembly member for Anumele electoral area, of which Achimota College is a part. Last week I heard about an inscription written on the buildings of all the residents. I came to look into it. I realized that the headmaster of the Achimota Senior High School seems not to be aware I asked the coordinating director of the Okaikwe North Municipal Assembly. He is not aware of it. Just last night, midnight, 1 a.m., I was called that hoodlums brought excavators to demolish this building. We know that the assembly has been given a portion of the Achimota land to build an assembly complex. But we were not told, I'm the assemblyman of the area, I'm not told that they will come and demolish people who are living here peacefully. These are not criminals. Even if you evacuate them, there's a procedure. You don't just come at midnight and start breaking people's building. Now look around, you see people, they are very stranded. And by the law of the Assembly, Act 47 of the Local Government Act.
And to where a University of Ghana Legon, the Ekoso Honoma Jume for a year Jumo, baby or Motitie, and Aquabranesa Sassani and India into what they feed room to be Aquacusiso, a Kawama dying in Egu form. If you know Fia Dana de Bessia and Ra, Emma baby or Mudu Mutibe to Aquaquet and Diamomano, and a Empini Assembly in Penning for a Tutumrica Honoma or more Edison Semia to Ghana. Yes, some of Bossa Semi, Yaniko Chevisi, Unity Santa Mo, Ediachi, the Bifra Tobiano, Yamfa and Camemo. Yamfamo Frank Crapumpunemantemo, not Yamfamo Emra Santamantama, Senior so enko Alpha no South East Abaton Persuaso, not the Wojina, Ediaman Pipiaman Yukono Alpha no South East Abaton Persuaso, Ura Frederick Kufi, a champon, na Wakantame Densia Riaboguso, Akotafre na Bache, said there was ye bia, Epeja, na Desiano, Asetinum no Mabra Bumuno, or Baye Enkanka, ene Engumesia, or the San Semi to Jawabra, na Enkunya, Enquadaba. So esuya de ene bebrum pimpim wode ekoche enkwala womo ewo insuta nyame bechre die basic school ne ho ene ode ne nseto ne nsayam so asre womo nsem obie ene ankrankra ne nyumeku awodo a enhye abase se omuntwa omani emehwe ne mpesua no so ene emu adehye no mo empeja o masetenemu titiru eba ngumasuam ene empuntujuma ora Frederick Kofie champon nsem a wode etudwa kakrani.
My parliamentary candidate affirm me. In fact, na minim say already no application or GMPC Foundation. Say nyam betche omu school sem no na em say kache kakra. To now pay school block. And GMPC Foundation jitum say o me no 3 unit classroom block. Tina no one of frame say why busy power parliament. Na am so say GMPC for no almost school na we hand over. E dey am nti the obo friends commission. Nti onya homa timi kokko jina na mapanampa me so me koye. Timiko dan kama mo si dan fan nyina abom ama me nua no mo wonya mbechiro nti dan dan be qualify ba bia betime sin kan kuma se betime se bia nso esi ya ha se suta nya mbechire timani age pa fan light nyina wo betime charge wo phone teacher fo ni normal ni teacher fo no office normal tina ye ni age but we na fe no mo se o ma complete there but ekire no mo de nkonwa beba nkwa no so mo hu ade mo no mi so na to ade mo ma me nda wo especially bro nya paboa me dai se me bo daka kra na ma fe ho na ma hwe kakra din kwa ne ho ade mo so mpeso mukom ebi so mpeso mukom ti e be ne den na ese me so me dimiti bom me so yes okay we classroom na ebi afa nkonya 2020 na me so akeka start kakra se so ye so ye be so o mo asene ho ti me di nkonya makomako adusia 60 ti mfa kogu edan mo se be ya ebi school ya kwa ne betimi akọ school no mu.
Observanti weye ura Frederick Kofi e champon yetene nkanon na ejina e de ama osono kogoko mpipi amanyuku no wahafo no South East abaton pesua so na yetene nkane no akire opening power hwe ngumesua so e wo mensini no mo esoso eje niam ejina nkwada nanemo e de asera piesie e ma ura Frederick Kofi e champon ne dom
nse ye kan nyame bachelor school building na which make us is one of the fastest building I see in Ghana here. Go within a space of less than 2 months, we timinya that building no. And as a school no, one of the schools and Uncle and Tinabontin. You know, as if that was not enough. Immediately, even though from GMPC furniture any ready no. PC so me agent and now student could my America Gumsi another mechanism yankupon. Oh sure no na oma tumi are open and so. Nsanka na nyin kun mi ntumi boy da bia ntumi da na se me da MP honorable adabo ase na me da DC nso ase na me share nyina nti nyame ncha de no em say apart from capitation grant no yes now another facility aban dia by friend Gallop nti Gallop no ba mehwɛ sɛ Gallop funds no ɛnyɛ for infrastructural development and as a capital structures but for maintenance school dime.
Observe nti weye aya hafo no south east abaton pesua so ene ebura ye ura Frederick Kofie Champon ene ejina dia MPP amanyuko no won pesua no so ena udinsie na chese o chechire mu adehie meso no mu ye oye bidie nso ba akofo nchire damfo na yenso na sinemu mpagya titiru nkwala ngomesua ho nsensem yempagya ewo ne mpesua no so ye gira we so na wiei ensem ye papa no de ba besom no ye de mosia se ne asore ama eye dwumadi aka atwaso eye Sompa enkomakuko ne chinchin fidie de mamie mrante ne maba we Sompa FM ne Sompa TV newsroom ebo mi chidom awiei me de ede na ya abo amale bia boga wiei eda mase emamumu ene tie ene hwa enyado.